Did you know your body has a built-in cleaning crew, but it only shows up when you stop eating? Picture your body as a house. Your brain is the home office, making all the big decisions. Your heart is the boiler room, pumping oxygen and nutrients everywhere. Your digestive system is the kitchen, where meals are cooked, served, and dishes pile up. And here's the thing, the busier the kitchen, the messier it gets. If you're constantly snacking, your kitchen never has time to wipe the counters, wash the dishes, or clean the stove. The cleaning crew only shows up when the kitchen gets quiet. And that is where intermittent fasting comes in. Intermittent fasting is an eating schedule. You pick a window of time to eat, say 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and outside that, you give your body a break from digesting. After a while without food, your body flips on autophagy, your deep clean mode. This is when your body breaks down old, junky cell parts, fixes damage, and recycles anything still useful. It's like doing a full home renovation inside your cells. So, what happens in your body when you stop eating? Within the first 4 hours, you're still running on your last meal, mostly energy from glucose. Your kitchen, stomach, and intestines is still breaking down food and sending it out. After 12 hours, your kitchen is done cooking. Now, your body pulls from the pantry, taps into stored sugar in your liver and muscles, called glycogen. From 12 to 16 hours, your pantry is getting empty, so it's time to head to the basement. Fat storage, called ketones. Insulin is low, but growth hormone and adrenaline rise, so you actually feel alert and energized. This is when autophagy really ramps up. Why now? Because when there is fresh food, your cells prefer to use that rather than recycle old materials. When food is scarce, they go, no new supplies? Let's fix what we've got. And the process goes like this. Find broken cell parts, pack them into a special trash bag, send to some kind of incinerator to break them down, recycle into fresh working parts. And the result is refreshed cells, trash gone, and recycled materials put back to work. So, how to ease into fasting without suffering? Take baby steps so your body has time to adjust. That way, you will avoid side effects like intense hunger, low energy, or crankiness. First, do a 12-hour overnight fast. This stage is easy entry point. You're already giving your body extra rest. For example, finish dinner by 7 p.m. and eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Then try a 14-hour fast. By now, your body will start using fat for fuel more often. Say eat dinner at 7 p.m. and breakfast at 9 a.m. In week 5 and 6, eat in an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. This is the sweet spot for triggering cell cleanup, autophagy. For example, eat dinner at 7 p.m. and breakfast at 11 a.m. When you wake up, drink a glass of plain water. The next stage is optional. Once a week, try 18 to 20 hours of fasting. It's a huge boost to autophagy. For example, eat dinner at 7 p.m. and the next meal at 1 to 3 p.m. Here is a bonus tip for success. Drink lots of water, because half the time you're hungry, you're probably thirsty. Take your time and let your body adapt before moving to the next stage. And listen to your body. If you feel awful, go back to a shorter fast and try again later. I've been doing an 18-hour fast for over 5 years. I eat 3 meals a day, a breakfast around 8 a.m., a snack around noon, and a lunch around 2 p.m. After that, it's usually just water or unsweetened tea. Do I get hungry? No. Do I feel tired or cranky? Not at all, because my body has already used to that. I actually feel great while fasting. If you don't have any health issues, I encourage you to give it a try. Would you like to try fasting? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments. And if you are curious about all the myths people spread around fasting, check out this video where I bust them one by one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.